Hey guys, what's going on? It's Salar here. So today I'm going to be working on the CAP project. I have been working on this project for a while now, and I have done some streaming on it, but mostly in Persian. So this one is going to be in English, so a few more friends can tune in. Uh, I need to do a task today that we have talked about it with the guys previously, and that is the improve export window task. I have not thought about how I'm going to do this that much. So there's going to be a lot of thinking involved right now. So bear with me in that case. If it takes too long or I'm being dumb or something, just let me know in the chat box. I'm going to be seeing that. So just write something right here. All right, so let's start on this. So we need to move the export status to another window like this with this design kind of. So I'm going to be trying on this. Let's see what happens. First of all, let's run the latest version of master to see what's there. All right. We're going to be watching the scripts and styles. And when that's done, I'm going to start the Electron app. Yep, that's it. All right, so this is the window. Let's try out first to see how it looks right now. So we're gonna record something. Toot, 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 toot. And stop something. And we're gonna export it to WebM so you can see how is it going. All right. So right now this is how it looks like. It's pretty simple, but I'm going to change this to the design that is on there right here. So the CAP project right now is not done in React or Redux or uh, any of these technologies. We're going to be rewriting that soon in React or something else. But for now, um, there's going to be a lot of ancient HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, just plain JavaScript, maybe some jQuery, who knows. So if you see that, don't be surprised. That's how real projects are. Not everything is done in React and like fancy and shining in unicorns. So I did close Visual Studio because it was consuming too much CPU. Let's hope this dials down. I think it's fine for now. All right, let's see if we can kind of see the export window. So we're gonna go into renderer, not CSS, main, yes. So progress bar is right here. Controls content is not hidden, but the progress bar is hidden. So I'm going to unhide the progress bar and hide the contents. Let's see what happens. Yep, so we gonna do the hidden thing for this. All right, so this is what we are changing to a new window. So let's create a new window and some HTML and CSS for that. So I'm going to be duplicating this. No duplicate, okay. New file, that's gonna be export.pug. I'm gonna paste this, remove the styles, not styles. This thing is light is hidden, window header title cap. Let's remove the is hidden. Tiny arrow, we don't want this. Blockhead, style sheet main, style sheet export script export, right? So we're gonna have this and then we're gonna duplicate this to export the JS. So everything is going to be inside this huge block of code here. Console log, hey guys, drag over, we don't want any of these. Set main window size, we don't want this. Observers to dispose, we don't want that. Aperture, we don't want this. Build size menu, we don't want this. Handle traffic like clicks, for now we don't want this. And any of this or this. So we're just gonna have this. So okay, now we're gonna create a style as well. So we're gonna copy this to export the CSS. Transition, we don't need this. We don't need this. Horizontal section, tiny arrow, content, maybe we do. Let's see what we have here. Section progress, so no content, no start bar, no record, no controls, no ratio selector, aspect ratio, shake. All we want is progress and progress bar and progress bar label. So we're gonna have this, not this. Window header, yes. And we're gonna just have the other ones right here in case anything goes wrong. So now we have a POC template, we have a CSS file, we have an JS file. Export the JS all with the same name, and this is going to importing those. We don't need this anymore. Now we need to create a browser window for that. We're gonna go to main index and here browser window, editor window. Okay. Okay. So we're gonna just be copying this. Okay, and load file. So that's all we want for now. So for now, we just wanna open this as soon as the app is ready. App on ready. So this is temporary const export window, new browser window. Hide this, all that. Well, we're gonna be wanting some set window. There is some, I want the size to be right. Main set window size. Well, let's not touch the window size for now. We don't need vibrancy. You don't need this. Frame false. Min height. Yeah, let's keep this. Export window. Let's remove this. Export window, load URL. Views export.html. So that's what we want. Let's just rerun this script. So hopefully it's gonna be creating the view. So if we go to render, views, well, let's just think it's magic and it works. And let's rerun this. We're gonna see a error probably. Oh no, we didn't see an error. I'm not that dumb. Okay, so this worked. Yeah, it worked actually. It actually worked. So this is the window that we want, but this needs to be movable and stuff. So let's go to browser, window, docs. Have you guys said anything in the chat? Nope. Is anyone watching? Let me check that. Okay, you're watching. A few of you. So, all right, this is movable. Yes, resizable. So we want movable only. This is false, so we want to just go where we created this and create this, say movable true. Well, that's not gonna happen for now. Oh well, it's movable by default, but the problem is actually if I open the developer tools here, hey guys is there, and cap. Sorry for that. So title bar. We need to add drag to the thing. Title bar. Let's check this. Window header. Components, window header. Is draggable. So we need to add is draggable to header. How's that gonna work? Window header is light is draggable. So we just come here. Oh yeah, it works. Cool. That's cool, right? Now we need the traffic lights. Where's the traffic lights? Traffic. Click controls, yeah. Title bar, control. Window header is hidden, is floating. Is translucent, is hidden, is draggable. Title bar, that's bar control, traffic lights, title bar controls. Let's search this to see if we use that anywhere. Preferences, query selector, we don't want that. Mixins the pug. Title bar, class is invisible. Controls, where's what? A attributes, invisible controls. There should be the traffic lights there, right? I haven't done anything. Invisible controls, yeah, I'm dumb. Updates and height. The guys have done a nice job on this. It's pretty neat, right? Cool, awesome, awesome. Now let's just copy this traffic light wrapper to export here. Traffic light wrapper. Let's see what it does. Traffic light wrapper. And then handle traffic light clicks. Okay, we just wanna call handle traffic light clicks. And then just do this, is invisible, dispose observers. Let's see if it works. Cannot read property. Yeah, add even listeners. All right, let's see what this does. So wrapper is title bar controls and hide false. Add event listener, hide window btn. Right. Alright, so I'm gonna console log wrapper. Yeah, I know. Title log controls, right? That's it. Hide window, minimize window. So what you complaining about? Hide window, close window, minimize window. Alright, so let's just move this a few lines downstairs. Let's say hide window button, minimize window button. What about close? We don't care about close? No close? Hide, oh, hide window is closed, yeah, sorry. Being a goon right now. Okay, line 24, line 24. Let's see what line 24 is. Line 24 is nothing, but we want to know what's there. Oh, one of them was no. Which one? The hide window button. Hide window button is null. Okay, why? Ah, because it's not hide, it's close, and again, I'm being a dum-dum. So, yeah, it worked. It worked. What they do? Ah, it got closed. Cool. Close the editor window. This is if remote.get current window is remote.app.cap.editor window. Close the editor window, return. Well, actually, it shouldn't. Close. Oh, okay. They have a generic close window. All right, that's good enough. All right. So this is working right now. Cool. Now we have a window. Well, actually I closed it. It's not there yet. There anymore. So I'm going to be closing this, starting this. Hello. So you're what we're gonna change. So how close are we to the design? We're pretty close. Exporting this of that. We're just gonna say exporting. Okay, let's do that. Let's just say exporting, right? Just for fun of it, let's just do that as well. Progress bar label, which is not there anymore. So let's see how this looks. This looks like that, which is cool. That's cool. Section.progress and progress. So what we are going to do is, for now, I have the colors, but the colors are in an app that I cannot show you. So let's see if I have zip. Yes. Because there are things in that app that I cannot show on the screen. So I'm just gonna get the color from here. Progress. So let's do this section progress with 100%. Height, this, flex direction, background color primary. Yeah, this is actually, this should be working in theory, right? Oh, progress. Oh yeah, this whole thing is primary. Let's find where this is. If they actually have that color, F9, 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 yes, gray lightest. That's what we want. We want gray lightest. Is padding. Padding? No. Let's remove the width of the progress bar. We don't need the progress bar label anymore. Let's see how it looks right now. Huh. That's close enough. No, it's not close enough. So in the variables, is there any spacing? No, there is not any spacing. So I'm going to be just removing the height, saying padding to rem. right. Body, background color, primary was primary, background color primary, margin. Okay, this has exploded. I know, Timothy, if you're hearing that, see, this is just not pleasant. Background color needs to come before what? Margin comes before background color. I swear if you do that one more time, yeah, margin, justify content. Okay, I'm just gonna, yeah. Timothy, didn't you fix this already? Okay, didn't die. I really, yeah, no. That's not what I want. That's definitely not what I want. Debugging time. Content is fine. Okay, what's the window size? Okay, this whole thing is 700. Okay, 768. Let's see if it's actually 768. 768. Yeah, it's that much. So, header 768. 768. Box sizing. Border box. No. Oh, that's not it. Okay. Yeah, that was simple. I'm sorry. Sorry. I'm terribly sorry. I'm very sorry. Okay. Not that sorry, actually. But, okay. P comes before M. No. Padding to RAM. Remove this. Now he's gonna complain. Oh, come on. Yes, that's what I want. That's what I want. Definitely, definitely. Window border radius. Let's use this. Border radius. Window border radius. We don't need any margin here. We do, however, need to move that out. Yeah, I knew it. Border radius to come before background color. Come on. What's the gulp? What is this? This style int. Gulp style int. Yeah. So what is the order? Specify the order. I just go file order. Is there no style int? Okay, I'm not gonna have this on for now because this is just slowing me down. I'm gonna turn it on, I swear. Later, maybe. Okay. Because I don't wanna just like have errors all the time. That's just not nice, you know? Cool. Now, now what we do here is, right, we do value 50. Let's have this. The window needs to have a no. What's the body main content? Progress. Section that progress wrapper. Padding 2 RAM. Remove from here. Added section that progress wrapper, and then just move all this underneath that, and this is going to wrap up wrap that up. Cool, this worked. And this looks kind of like the other one. Well, I like this bar, so I'm gonna keep it unless the guys tell me not to, but I'm going to keep it for now. So we decided to do just one cancel export button, right? Cancel export, so that's going to be bigger buttons. Okay, let's first step by step. Cancel export, that's important. We don't need this. We need this. We don't need this. We don't need this. We need this. We don't need this. We need that later, but not now. We don't need this. Right, now we need the buttons. What do you have here? Button group large. First of all, button primary, button large. So I'm going to have this. That's fine. Now I'm going to add a margin bottom 15 pixels. That's fine. Button red, I need red. It's transparent. Is light. I don't need a button. Red, danger, red. No, I don't need that. Width 100%. Maybe if I put that in a button group. What if I put that in a button group? Will that be nice? Maybe that's nice. Button group large, and I would have, oh, that's pretty cool. Why is that? What's wrong? Where is your cursor? Oh yeah, we removed that. What happened? Hover. Okay, let's try again. Anybody with us? What's wrong with you? So, huh? Button large, active, display flex, border radius, box shadow is active. Is active. That is active. Yeah, no. Let's just not do that because that's not. Yeah, so button large, that's fine. Progress cancel button. Gonna have this in export. Weight 100%. That's what we want. Yes. Cool. The color needs to be red though. Variables. Red. That's convenient. Just call it red. Color red. And hover border color is red. So let's just, nah. That's too red. Too much red. Let's just remove this. Nah. No. Nope. Gray darker. Actually, I have an idea. It might suck, but background color red, border color red, color white. What is white? Do you have white? Color light. I'm gonna keep this for now. It's terrible, but nah. Well, I don't have any other options for now. So the width is too much, the height is too much. I'm gonna just remove the height. Height is 300. Frame false. Yeah, so first of all, this is too big. No, it's not too big actually. That is too small. Maybe 400 in 200. And close and open. How big is this? $175. Yeah, wow. And also resizable false. Ah, it's gonna be nice. There you go. Good boy. Exporting. Exporting. Well, this is not the actual thing. The actual thing is this. So if we actually bring that over here, just This is gonna be 170. That's fine. Cool, now we have this. It's cool. This is cool. I like this. I like this. I like this. This is working. So let's commit this while we have it. So if power or something for some reason just goes away, we're gonna, first of all, let's create a branch, feature, export window, not export JS, export a bug. We don't want that. So add new export Windows styles and JS. Okay. All right, so now let's see how this actually works. So let's close all this. Go to main.js, progress, and then we make progress export. Actually, export is a terrible name. No? Well, it's not a terrible name. You're a terrible name. Yeah. Let's cut this out. Put it here. That's good. Progress. Show export window. We don't need any of this. So show export window is going to go away. Hide export window is going to go away. Start export. That's something we want to work on. Just go away from here. Export progress. That's extremely important. You're going to be here. Hide export window. Gonna work on this. Export progress. Yep. And export. Success. We don't want this. Yeah, we don't want this. Let's comment this out. The reason we don't want that is because we don't have that text yet. Anymore, not yet, sorry. So we just cut out all the progress stuff. We're gonna put them right back here. Progress bar, label, we don't have label anymore. Section, progress bar section. Why do you need that even? No, you don't need that. You just need the progress bar. You need the progress bar cancel button. That's all you need. There you go. So we need IPC renderer. We don't need remote. Well, we might need it. So no event emitter, no aperture. You need it to error reporter. Well, that's actually somewhere else, so we just don't need this. Also, we don't need this for now, right? Right. So that is cool. That is cool. That is cool. Let me save this as well. By the way, I got a new mouse. The Apple one wasn't working correctly. Okay. Now we need to do start export and export progress. Right. Okay. we're going to create a new file in main, export progress, export the JS. Export function, are we using? Yes. Export function, start export, right? What this is going to do is index.js, this is going to create this. Yeah, it's going to create that. So we just remove this. What we need is browser window. We don't need notification. Global shortcut, screen, menu, IPC, main we do need. Dialog we need. Notification we don't need. Browser window we do need. App we might need. So for now this is fine. Right. So and then you just let app.cap dot editor window. App.cap dot export window for now. Let's do this, and then we say export window.web contents send start export. So we log here, so log start export. That's what we're going to do. Let's see what the export progress is like. So let's run. Export progress is an event. Okay. Export function, export progress, payload, app.cap.export window, send export progress. Export progress, payload. And then here we just console.log event data progress. We don't have the text. So event data, what? IPC, how is it going to be that? We just, what data? Okay, we just don't use this event data. So this is E progress for value, how do I? Okay, for now we're just gonna have this still here and then hide export window. When this gonna right, hide export window. Okay, so hide export window is just basically closing it, so we don't need that there. We just need export function hide export window. App.cap.export window hide. hide. Yes, so we just close it. That's what we do. Hide export window, that's just closing. And then end export and export. Okay, in that case, so end export, we just do 1 second after. Export function and export. What we will do is set timeout app.cap.export window.close, but also app.cap.export window.send and export. So this has a bit of time to do whatever it wants. Export done. All right. So start export, export progress, and export. It's just that. So this is not going to be doing much. All right, now let's replace those with these functions. First of all, end export. No, that's not what we want. End export. We just need end export. Did yeah, I did. Good boy. This is end export. Hide export window would be hide export window. Did import them. Cool. Hide export. Nope. Export progress. Benny. Nah. Nah. Export progress. Nah. So export progress is important, and we just do export progress here as well. Right. Cancel export. Yeah, so that's sending back. Cancel export. Progress callback. Cool. Now we're using all this. Export progress, hide export window. We're using it. And export. We're using it. So basically, this is all working nicely. Share services. We just close it here. Export the JS main. Export. Awesome. Let's see what we have changed. Convert. So export progress and export progress. Export is new. Share services and export hide export window. Hide export window. That's correct. This is fine. That's good. Delete. A lot of deletions. Cool. And main.pug. Okay, so we actually need to change main.pug. So what we need to do is remove this export progress bar here. Remove this hidden. Remove that hidden. Cool. All right, so now if we run this, now that should work. So let's just record something. Send of undefined, start, export progress 2833. 2833. Yeah, it died. It died. Didn't work. Didn't work, Rick. Start export. That's not been. Ah, of course. Start export. Yeah, that's because we didn't do this. Start export orders. Export that bug. Remove this value 50. So we'll record something. Then we save it to disk. Ah, that's amazing. It's working. Progress, progress, progress. Done. Done and done. Cool. It worked. I was actually not prepared for it working, but anyway. Event close. Emitted when the so okay, let's commit this for now. So it shows it does everything, and it hides them pretty well. That's all we want. Export here. Let's just remove this inner text. Success. Okay, maybe that we can update that on the title of something. No, let's just not update anything for now. Okay, for now, let's just leave it be. What did I want to do? What did I want to do? Right, I wanna convert. That's fine. Use export max. Okay, converted JS. We want this. We want this. Share services. We want all this. We want all this. We want all this and this. Create export window functionality, not create. Oh, cool. So that is that. So now we want to do it on close, even close. That means when the window is going to be closed, because we need to cancel the export on window close. So emitted when the window is going to be closed. It's emitted before the before unload and unload event of DOM calling event will cancel the close. Usually you would want to do before to use the before unload handler to see that it should be closed, which will be able to call window electron returning any value undefined would cancel the close. That's all we want. So let's just for now go to index.js. Ready. Start export. So I'm gonna close this and run it. Right, cool. Now we're gonna go to the export. And here we're gonna do this window on before unload. I want to be closed. Remote const app dialog. I do not want to be closed. Unlike usual browsers that message by the prompt user returning a non-void value will suddenly cancel the close. It is not recommended to use the dialog API to let the user confirm closing the application. It is not. It is recommended. Okay, oh, of course that. I thought it's not recommended. Dialog that show message box. For now, I'm just gonna search this because I think this is actually yeah, that's what I want. So answer the question. Button discard cancel. Cancel export. Continue. Continue. Are you sure you want to discard? Are you sure you want to cancel the export? Cancel exporting. Detail, it will not be saved. That's good. If button index is 0, then e dot return value IPC render send cancel export. If button index is 0, cancel export e dot return. Else e dot return value false. We'll cancel the closing. All right, this should do. So now if I that didn't even work. Because it has died. Duplicate declaration. Yeah. So this should. What the fuck? Sorry for language. This needs to come here. Close window. Close window, browser window dot from web contents. Console log window. Get close. The former works better within Electron. What about okay, editor window is browser window dot current browser. Okay, I'm going to actually cancel export. Current browser window Electron. Current window. Get current. Get current window. Get current window. So we just do this. Maybe it was that actually. So it did that, but it did close it. It closed it. Okay. Return false. What about this? So there is a subtle difference between window and before window add event listener handler. It's going to always set the event and return value explicitly instead of just returning value, as the former works more consistently. Show message box. So what you do is discard video. No, that's not something we want. No, actually, that's what we want. close A to window. Ah, yeah, it's because it's handling the other side. So I don't want to be that specific. So what I want to do is just this. Either return value undefined. What will this do? Yeah, that's not it. That's not it. Electron window and before unload dialog. Ah, it has sync API. Sorry, I'm just a no. Yep. So if I don't have the const button index, yes, that's what I want. Continue. Okay, that closes it. What about the other one? Cancel export. That closes as well. So this should make it die, although choice 0. Cancel export. Return false. Cancel return true. Return false. Return false. No, that's not what I want. Oh, that's terrible. That's terrible. Continue 1, 0. If it's 0, else return false. This should do, right? I think something's about this that is cancel export. Well, that's true. That's true. Return true. Else return false. I don't know why this is not working. Continue should not close, but it does close. Okay, they both close. I'm gonna deal with this later, but for now this is fine. What about if I just do this? But the problem was that they both closed, so no matter which one. What if I do this? Continue, cancel export. Continue. Oh, fuck's sake. This has died a long time ago. This is just, it's not going my way. Continue, don't close. Cancel export, cancel. True and false. Like this. Continue. Cancel export. Why they're both closing? That I don't understand this. Return button index. True. Continue. Okay. Return false. Okay, I'm going to just let this go for now. We'll think about it later. Read a prevent default. Oh, okay. Do I need to? Okay, what if I do export here and do this export window on close? Here. No, that's not gonna be, no. Okay, I'm going to just do this later. So what else is remaining? What else is remaining? Um, so now it opens it, it does that, and it closes it. Let's try cancel export just for the fun of it. Okay, I need to, no, sorry, go away. I need to just all this code. Index show start export. Just start this. So this is going to work. Let's wait a bit longer because we wanna just PNG save to disk. So this should cancel. Export progress. So main export progress. The window has been closed. Right. Okay. So that's cool. So what we want to do is if app.cap.export window return hide export window and then app.cap.export. Let's see index.js. Close. Let crop date. I'm gonna just do this. Let export window and then export window. Remove this from here because nobody needs this. Export window if export window if export window return here app.cap, remove all this, export window that on, close. So we set export window to no, it's closed, it's null. Export progress, hide export window, again safety measures, and export. Set timeout and 1000. Yes. All right, so we do all this. So now we start again. We record, see, hey, did it, and then we stop, save to disk, export window comes, cancel export, done. So we do save to disk, yeah, done. Okay, awesome. Cool, now this works. So now we need to make the, so this is all fine, let's just commit this. What's this? export window. Okay, just improve export main and window main thread. I'm just gonna check the status of online. Anybody watching me? Cool. All right. Now the cancel export button. Traffic lights. Right. We need to handle the traffic light thingy. Details. If get current window is removed, cap app IPC manager close editor window. Yeah. Okay, we need to handle one thing, if a progress is happening or not. And if it's happening, we're gonna do this. So start progress is gonna set this. That is export in progress false. In the future, this will be handled nicer in obviously Redux or something similar, but for now, this is gonna do. And export false is export in progress, true and false, right? So now we wanna let's do a simple thing. Window that on before load return false. Let me just do this simple thing, and then in index again on the bottom, we just gonna ready show. Actually, no, this is just dumb. So I'm gonna do it in main. Oh my god, this is also dumb. So just in index start export. Okay, this what? Oh yeah, it's because I'm doing this. Okay, that's cool. And now if it's, what if it's true? If it's false, it's not gonna close. What if it's true? Yeah, because unload. If it's true, it will not close. What if it's just return? It's closed. So if is export in progress, return false, otherwise just return console log export in progress. That's gonna be set to true because obviously we just call the start export, right? So we're gonna show this. Oh no. We did set this to true. Start export. Um, Start export. Export window on. Ready. Loaded. Done. So we need the events. In events page title, close, blur, ready to show, move, scroll touch and new window, ready. Browser window, DOM content loaded, Electron, DOM ready, DOM ready. DOM ready. Web contents, DOM ready. Yes. Dot web contents on DOM ready. Let's start export. This is gonna be not, yes. Export in progress. Nice. If export in progress true, then we don't. If not, then that will obviously close the window. Awesome. So let's move this code in. Button index. Continue button index 1, button index 0. So if I just make this return, this should close after this. Yes. Then if button index is not 0, return false. This is important. So continue. Oh my god. Why is this happening? Continue. Export in progress 1, 0. Right? So this is preventing that to So it's preventing. Console log 0 is cancel export, so I should cancel. I should close return. I should cancel close. Actually, let's just make it cancel export. I should cancel. Why the hell is this happening? So I'm just gonna return false for now. This is dumb. So it's different when the editor window is open. The thing is open. See, this is terrible. How do I fix this? How do I fix this? E, and then E, the return value true. So this should just cancel in any case. If this is open, this is canceling. So this is correct. So if I don't add this, close. So just if button index equals 1, please continue. Please continue. Please continue. So now if I do this, it should only prevent closing when the button index is 1. Oh my god. It doesn't work. So that's a bug. I cannot fix that. I cannot fix that. Why the hell is this happening? return return. Well, let's try. Okay, I'm going to be commenting that on window close. Else true. Prevents closing. Okay, I'm gonna seek help in that for that, so let's just commit this because this is taking too long. I will try to fix it later. And then here progress false. Let's just delete this value. Handle traffic lights. This is all fine. We kind of broke cancel, but doesn't matter. Window close. So let's try the window close. I'm gonna comment that on the thing. Done ready, that's fine. That's what we want. Index, we don't want this. Export, we want all this. Now let's fix back the style int and then let's see what does it say. PM test. Okay, main.js. Main.js. Line start bar. Controls. Okay. Now export.js. Export.js. Browser view is defined by never used. App is assigned by never used. What if I just do dialog here? Then main export in main. Dialog is never used, obviously. IPC main is never used. App is never used. Main convert.js. App is never used. So let's do this. Export.css. All right. Border radius comes before background color. Border color comes before background color. What again? Border radius, justify content, color, comment for. Ah, border radius to come before margin button. Border radius. Maybe this will help. Padding to come before. Okay, that will definitely help. And border color to come before color. Border color. I think this is it. This is terrible. It's so anal. Okay, cool. This is done. Clean up linting issues. Alright, now we can make a PR. Didn't work. It did work. Yes. Export window improvements fixes number. Because closing confirmation doesn't work. Window on before unload is behaving weird. All right, that's it, guys. So I'm gonna be talking about this issue that I had with the guys, so I might find an answer for it. If you know what's wrong there in here, if you know what's wrong here, just let me know, because this should cancel export and close, and this should prevent closing and not cancel export and just wait. So I have no idea what's happening right there. All right, that's it for today. Thank you for tuning in. I think it got too long, but well, that's programming. All right, have a nice day, and let me know on Twitter at Salar with 2 L's. That's me. Just let me know if you have any ideas for the next stream or anything. I'm gonna be listening. Have a nice day. Bye.